Uh, the brain and the heart in Islam. The article mentions Leonardo da Vinci saying that tears come from the heart, not the brain. Science now shows that the brain controls tears, emotions, and behavior. Islam beautifully unites both. The Qalb, heart, in the Quran, is described as the seat of understanding, but the brain, AQL, is the tool that processes. Allah says, "Have they not traveled through the land, and do they not have hearts with which to reason, or ears with which to hear? For indeed, it is not the eyes that are blinded, but blinded are the hearts within the chests." Quran 22:46. Islam shows that emotion, heart, and reason, brain, are interconnected. Oh. The nervous system and Tawhid. The diagrams show how the central nervous system, CNS, and peripheral nervous system, PNS, work together. This reminds us of Tawhid, oneness. Many parts, but one system, all under Allah's command. Just like the brain sends signals through nerves, Allah sends guidance through His prophets and revelation. Idam, if the connection is cut, like spinal cord damage, the body is paralyzed. Likewise, if the heart and brain are cut off from revelation, the soul becomes paralyzed spiritually. Aita. Reflexes and fight or flight versus saber. The book explains the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, fight, flight, or rest. Islam acknowledges these instincts but elevates us with sabr, patience, and tawakkul, trust in Allah. The Prophet said, "The strong person is not the one who can overpower others, but the one who controls himself when angry." Bukhari and Muslim. Science says we have reflexes. Islam says we must rise above reflexes with guidance. Iman. Investigating the brain and the limits of knowledge. The book shows history. Aristotle, Galen, Franz Gall, and modern MRI scans. Despite centuries of study, humans still can't fully grasp the brain. Islam already told us, "And they ask you about the soul. Say, the soul is from the affair of my Lord, and you have not been given of knowledge except a little." Quran 17:85. Modern imaging can see the brain, but it cannot see the ruh, soul, the true essence of life. Early mistakes versus revelation. The book shows how early scientists thought the skull bumps determined personality, phrenology, which was later proven wrong. Islam protects us from such errors because Allah already gave us revelation about the human nature, fitrah. Allah says, "Indeed, we created man in the best of stature." Quran 95:4. Our dignity and character are not measured by skull shapes but by taqwa, God consciousness. Summary, Islamic reflection. The brain is one of Allah's most complex signs, yet still beyond full human grasp. Heart and brain together form the seat of faith, reason, and emotion in Islam. The nervous system mirrors Tawhid. One command center, many functions. Science studies the brain, but the soul remains Allah's secret. True knowledge is not only in MRI scans but in Quran and Sunnah.